Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our admin option, right? So here right now if you open that admin login and here if you put your admin email address password, click as a login, it's now successfully working. But they have some of the issues for our default one. Into the default one, if you put that admin, sorry, that will be the user, right? user@gmail.com, because here that is our admin@gmail.com and password. There is another one is user. So that is a user@gmail.com and password. Now click as a login. So now it's not logging perfectly. It's now showing as a credential do not match of the record. So here they have some of the issues. Right now I want to actually close everything. Here we don't need this. And there is a providers. Into the providers area, there is our 45 service providers. Okay, into the 45 service providers, I have created one of the registers. So into the register method, I'm using the admin controller, I'm using the attempt to authenticate controller, and also redirect to factory authenticable. Okay, and if you go there, you can see friend, here I'm actually using the default one, that is a Laravel 45 actions, and that is also the default one. But I have already take both of these in our default into the 45. Into the 45 area, you can see I have already take this into the attempt to authenticate, and that is our another one as a redirect two factor. So that is our default one. I want to do to change it, and here I want to use this one. Whatever actually I take it from here, you can see that is actually will be as our name space. So now I want to do and to change that name space. So that will be not here, that will be from to this our app actions and the 45. That means this one I want to use for our attempt to authenticate, and also for the redirect if two factor authenticable. Here I also want to do and to use the same. Okay, I want to use this file, okay, not the default one. So I simply updated both of these. And also if you go to our admin controller, into the admin controller, here you can see I have also used that as a redirect to factory and attempt to authenticate, and that is also the default one. So right now I want to use our this file. So if you want to use it, so that will be as a use app, into app actions, the 45, and then that is actually our file. And also I want to update this one, so that will be the same as the app actions 45. Okay, so that's the reason actually it's not working for the default one. It's conflicted with our admin. Okay, so now let's check this out. That's all you have to do. Now click as a save all, and now if you go there, click as a refresh. So now I'm already into the /logging, right? Into the /logging area, I want to use that user@gmail.com, and now Udemy 1 2 3 4 5. Now click as a sign in. Yes, you can see friend, now everything is great. So now it's successfully returned redirect to our default dashboard, and you can see it's now showing as a hi user. That means right now you are logging with the user, right? And also if you now click as a log out, so now it's successfully log out. If you click as a logging, and here if you now use that as an admin, now it not should be logging as admin and the password Udemy 1 2 3 4 5. Now click as a login. Yes, you can see it's now perfectly getting that credential, that this credential does not match. Okay, perfect. And now here if you want to access with the same, if you want to access with the user, then everything will be okay. User and the password Udemy 1 2 3 4 5. Perfectly logging as a high user. So right now I want to check it with the admin, and that means that will be as a admin /logging. So now the same logging page, here I want to use that user. Okay, that means user email address password, it not should be login. Yes, it's perfectly getting this credential. And here I want to use that our admin@gmail.com, and the password is Udemy 1 2 3 4 5. And now if you click as a login, yes, you can see it's now perfectly redirected to our dashboard, and it's showing as a hi admin. That means our multi-authentication part is now successfully working. I hope friend you enjoyed very much. Okay, so next video I also want to share one things with you, like when you logging with the user. Okay, when you logging with the user, then if you logging, So after that locking, it's perfectly redirected to the dashboard. But when you click as a logout, okay, when you click as a logout, it's redirect to you to the home page. So here I don't want to actually make that things as a home page. It should be redirect to the locking page or something like that. Or rather than if you logging with the admin dashboard, okay, that means the admin login, and here if you put as a admin@gmail.com, that means the appropriate email address and the password, click as a login, then it's successfully logged in. But here when you click as a logout, so here you can see it's now also redirected to you to the home page. So here I don't want to actually display that things like that way. So if you want to change it, how can change it? In our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.